In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up headers and footers with different content for odd and even pages in your document. We'll be utilizing the print layout view, which provides the best perspective for making these kinds of formatting changes. This setup is particularly useful for documents that require a more professional appearance, like books or reports, where you might want to include page numbers, document titles, or author names that differ between odd and even pages. First, let's ensure your document is open in Print Layout view. This is crucial because it provides you with a visual representation of how your document will appear when printed, making it easier to see exactly where your edits are placed. Once you're in this view, it's time to activate the header and footer areas of your document. Simply double-click at the top or bottom of the page, depending on whether you're focusing on headers or footers. This action will open up the header and footer tools and bring your focus to the Design tab, where all the relevant tools are conveniently located. Now, on the Design tab, direct your attention to the Options group. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Different Odd and Even Pages. Checking this box is the key to creating distinct headers or footers for odd and even pages. As soon as you activate this option, your document will begin to display labels such as Odd Page Header and Even Page Header, clearly delineating where your edits will take effect based on the page numbering. This feature is incredibly helpful because it gives you a clear visual guide on what changes will apply where, helping to keep things organized and precise. Next, it's time to add your custom headers or footers. Start by scrolling to an odd-numbered page such as page 1. Here, you can enter or edit the header or footer content that you wish to include on all odd-numbered pages. This might be something like the document title or a specific logo. It's a great way to maintain consistency across your document while still differentiating it in a subtle way. After you've completed your edits on the odd pages, move on to an even-numbered page, such as page 2. Here, you can customize the header or footer to contain different content from what you've placed on the odd pages. This could include your name, a chapter title, or any other information you deem suitable for even-numbered pages. Once you're satisfied with the different entries for odd and even pages, it's time to wrap up. To exit the header and footer editing mode, you have two options. Either click on Close Header and Footer in the toolbar, or simply double-click outside the header or footer area somewhere in the body of the document. This will return you to normal editing mode, allowing you to continue refining your document's contents. Following these steps will give your document a polished and professional look.